I'm out this morning before it starts to rain. There might be some drizzle coming this way, but I want to put the drone up to capture a place called Hunting Run Park. Looks like a very beautiful area. I see people out there fishing, but I love these days where it's overcast and there's clouds out there. So I'm going to put the drone up. I have acquired 18 satellites, and let's launch it up.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the
Okay,
map.
I'm going to take it up, and I'm going to go about over 200 feet. Let's angle that gimbal down somewhat. Let's do 300 feet. Okay, I'm going to do a quick 360. I'm in the normal mode, and looking out there, you can see it's a very beautiful area. So I like to do these 360s because that gives me an indication as to what direction to fly in. And as you can see, there is some rain, so I'm not going to keep the drone out there for too long. Lots of green down here in Virginia. But I just love those clouds. I love color. So I'm going to take it out over that lake that we just saw and then bring it back in. I've got about 65% battery, so I'm not going to keep out there for too long. I've got about 17 minutes of flight time here. So right around here someplace. I love these types of views. I like flying too. So let's go out in that direction right there for a little bit, and then I'm going to bring it back. Okay, so let's go. No wind warnings. There is some remote control interference, but I still have 5 bars there. It looks like the rain is like sort of like increasing. So I'm going to turn this thing around. I'm not going to lose my drone. These things are just too expensive. So I'm going to pan around just slowly here. Look at all that green. Look at those clouds. That's just beautiful. And I'm going to bring it back. Doing about 22 miles per hour. That's a nice speed, normal mode. I've got good height. I can tell there's some wind up there because the drone is sort of slewing a little bit, but I'm able to compensate for that and keep the tip of that blue arrow you see there on the screen aligned up. It's condensation or rain on the lens, actually, is what you see there. About 400 feet away. About 200 feet away. Okay, let's get it in here. Drone should be directly over me. I'm going to bring it down. Let me step out. I'm turn this around slightly. The rain is not coming down heavily, but I'm going to anticipate that it's what it's going to do. So, all right. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording. Another successful flight. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.